Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is a factoring problem. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try to do this one on your own. All right, you probably tried to do this and maybe it was a little difficult. And maybe the reason why it was a little difficult, you try to use factor by grouping, and factor by grouping didn't work so much. Now, the reason why is because this is the rare case where when you have four terms, it's a difference of squares. And let me show you that this is a perfect square trinomial, the first part, and then the second part is a square. Now, it could be the other way too. It could be a square and then a perfect square trinomial with the last three terms. So it can go either way. So this is a perfect square trinomial, and how do I know that's a perfect square trinomial? Well, this is a square. This is a square. I take the square root of this, which is 2x. Square root of 25 is 5. Times those together and then double it. So 2x times 5 is 10x. Doubled is 20x. So that's a perfect square trinomial. This is a square, right? 7y times 7y is going to give you that 49y squared. So you have a square and another square, so it is a difference of squares. Now, to factor the first part, again, it's going to be a perfect square trinomial. So you want to rewrite it. So it would be 2x plus 5 parentheses squared. Right? If you factor this out, it would be 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Then you can kind of put them together. Minus 49y squared. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to write it as a difference of squares. To do that, you just write the two sets of parentheses. And the first term is going to be 2x plus 5. So just write 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. And if you recall the formula for difference of squares, you have a minus and then a term, and then plus and then a term, or you can switch it around. It doesn't matter. So it would be minus 7y. Over here it would be plus 7y. And that is it.